Before we begin, I want you to imagine something. Most people think making money online is like climbing a ladder, one shaky rung at a time, hoping you don't fall. Always wondering if the next step might be the one that sends you back to the bottom. But what if that's the wrong way to think about it? What if it's not a ladder at all, but a traffic light? 3 colors, 3 levels, and every opportunity online fits into one of them. Red, yellow, green. Simple, clear, and surprisingly powerful. Red doesn't mean danger here. It means stop, look around, because opportunity might already be right in front of you. These are hustles you can start with nothing. No money, no special skills, just your phone and an internet connection. You don't need permission, you don't need capital, you just need to begin. The first red light hustle is something millions of people see every day, but almost nobody thinks of as a business. Theme pages. These are social media accounts built around a single topic people already love. Luxury cars, motivation, pets, travel, fitness, success. You don't show your face. You don't need to be an expert. You curate, repost, edit, and grow an audience around that theme. And once that audience exists, attention becomes valuable. Brands pay for shout-outs. Affiliate links generate commissions. Some people even sell the page itself. Is it instant money? No. But the barrier to entry is almost zero. Just consistency and time. The second red light hustle is one most people have never even heard of. And that's exactly why there's opportunity in it. Content Critic. Every single day, creators, businesses, and brands publish content online. Videos, posts, ads, campaigns. But many of them don't actually know why their content isn't performing. Is the hook weak? Is the thumbnail unappealing? Is the message unclear? That's where you come in. As a content critic, your job is simple. Watch the content. Analyze what works and what doesn't. Then give clear, practical feedback. You don't need a huge following. You don't need fancy equipment. If you already spend time watching content, you already understand more than you think. And people will pay for that insight. Now we move into the yellow light. These are hustles that don't require money, but they do require learning. The first one is thumbnail design. On YouTube, a thumbnail can be the difference between a video that disappears and one that explodes. Most creators know how to make videos. Very few know how to design something people can't resist clicking. That gap is your opportunity. You can learn this skill in weeks, not years. And once you're good, clients will keep coming back. Still in the yellow light, we move into creating things that businesses actually need. Logos. Every brand, every startup, every creator needs one. You don't need to be a world-class artist. You just need to understand simple design principles and deliver clean, professional work. But there's something even more powerful. Digital products. Create it once, sell it forever. Templates, guides, tools, resources. The first sale might take time, but once it starts, income can come in while you sleep. Another yellow light opportunity is exploding right now. Faceless content creation. Channels that get millions of views without ever showing a face. Documentaries, top 10 videos, finance explainers, story channels. With today's tools, you don't need a camera crew. You don't even need your own voice. Just a script, basic editing, and consistency. It takes patience to grow, but once a channel gains traction, the upside is enormous. Green light hustles. And finally, the green light. This is where skill meets serious income. These hustles require effort, training, sometimes investment, but they can change your life the fastest. Web design, high-ticket sales, social media management, professional copywriting. These aren't quick tricks. They're real skills businesses depend on. And because they create real value, they pay real money. Close one major deal, land one long-term client, deliver one high-impact project, and your income can change overnight. This is the level where you stop chasing opportunities, and opportunities start chasing you. So pick the light that matches where you are right now, and move forward. If this video helped you see things differently, let me know in the comments. Which path are you starting with? If you want more real strategies for building income in 2026, make sure you're subscribed. Because the opportunity isn't going away, but the people who act are the ones who benefit from it. Choose your light and go.